Hey guys, in this video we are making seaweed salad. It's really healthy. I saw my sister making the salad and that's how I stole her recipe. So today we're going healthy and tomorrow I'm gonna make pizza. Alright, so for the seaweed chicken salad we need a bunch of stuff here. First I'm just gonna start by making the chicken. So we need chicken. It's pre-marinated with the lemon. So no smell, that's for sure. And for the marination, also I am using a bit of salt, black pepper, onion and garlic powder, dried basil and oregano. So that was for the chicken. And for the main ingredients for the salad, so for the ingredients we need seaweed salad, a red cabbage, a bit of cherry tomatoes, lime, cucumber, spinach, spring mix, arugula, celery, corn. For garnishing we need a bit of walnuts, we need cranberries, and of course we need a bit of feta cheese. And also I'm gonna top it up with some sesame seed. So for the chicken breast, I cut them in small pieces, so we're not gonna cook it too much. It needs like maybe 10 minutes of cooking. And also I marinated with some lemon, so there's no smell, that's for sure. Just cook it for maybe 2 minutes and then we're gonna add the spices. So now as you can see, our chicken is white, from pink to white. So it's time to add our spices. So this is my favorite part. I'm a cheesy person, okay guys? Don't mind me. Perfect. So that's done, we're almost ready. So now everything is chopped, everything is ready, the chicken is ready. We're just gonna create our salad. So let's do that together. Starting by spinach, baby spinach, spring mix, and now we're gonna add the seaweed. Just gonna add a bit of olive oil, a bit of balsamic, and a little bit of sesame seed. And last but not least, black seeds. voila, it's ready. Super healthy and tasty at the same time and very quick to make. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. I hope you guys all enjoyed this recipe. It is super simple to make and very healthy at the same time. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to follow me on my Instagram at saharslife1. And also, if you're new to my channel, please do subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and bye bye. There was a freaking fly.